this video, we are reviewing the two main steps needed to finalize a repair order. Finalizing a repair order is necessary to provide an itemized final invoice for your customer that shows the work performed, parts used, any fees and taxes, and that the invoice is fully paid, which allows for accurate reporting. In this, we're going to review the repair order as well as finalize the repair order. When a customer arrives to pick up their completed vehicle, find the repair order in the Work in Progress window and select it. Review the parts and labor to ensure that it reflects all work performed, parts used, and a technician is assigned. You can click the Calculations tab to see the total due, whether any advance payments have been applied against this repair order or any discounts. You can also check your profit for this ticket. If a customer is there to make an advance payment before the vehicle's repairs are completed, this is where you can post that payment. Make sure you have added any necessary notes to the customer, vehicle, or the specific repair order. Remember, repair and order notes are shared on the repair order with the customer. If you have not at the time of creation, assign a profit center source and service writer. The items we mentioned earlier for you to check, vehicle notes, calculations, etc., could be confirmed prior to the customer's arriving to ensure you are prepared for seamless checkout for your customer. While the customer is at your counter, press the Finalize button and enter the current mileage if required. If you have any required fields not filled in, you will be prompted to complete them. The payment method or combination if your customer is paying by more than one method by entering the amount for each tender type in the boxes to leave a zero balance remaining. Cash. Check. Enter the check number and authorization number if you are required to. E-payment if you use integrated credit card processing. Other credit cards, entering the last four digits and authorization number if required. Charge to third party or one-time charge. Note that accounts receivable, accounts, third-party billing, and one-time charge must be configured to be available. After submitting the payment type, press the Finalize button at the bottom and select to print. You can print a copy of the invoice, create a PDF, or email the invoice if you have email configured in your RO Writer. Most shops are required to retain a physical signed copy of the invoices. You can configure RO Writer to print 2 or more copies in the Form Type section of Configuration. You can also configure RO Writer to prompt a follow-up appointment. Now that you have finalized the repair order, you can ask your customer to sign an additional copy if required, shake their hand, and give them their keys. Finalizing repair orders is an important last step. Every repair order should be finalized when the vehicle is returned to the owner. It keeps your work up to date with the work you currently have in your shop, allows you to monitor the profitability of your shop, and accurately use reports.